a lot. Hydrates is no frizz and secure it. Because the way you put on the Flexi sets and the way you style it is gonna how it's gonna dry. The definition. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Flexi rod sets. Yeah, it's a lot. And I will be showing you how to install and then take them down with no frizz for bouncy, fluffy curls. So let's just get into it. I do want to mention that there are 3 different sizes. I'll put them on the screen with the inches that they are. Then there's also a gray one, but these are to make sure that they are natural looking curls so that it doesn't look all uniform and more together instead of having all just one size, unless you want that, but each their own. And depending on the length and width of your hair, you want to go with the purple one for long, thick, dense hair, the red one if you have fine or thin hair, and then a blue one if it's more coarse, but in a medium. So taking a section from the back, 1 inch to 1/2 inch of a section, you're going to separate and put all the rest of the hair up. I work best in sections so that it doesn't become too overwhelming and it looks more clean. We're just going to comb it out, make sure there's no lumps or kinks in it. Taking your foam of choice or gel, whatever you choose. I'm using a lot of body coconut and shea oils, Wrap Me foam mousse, and it just hydrates, it's no frizz, and it's defines your curls for a very soft wrap so that you get bouncy, fluffy curls that last all week if you maintain them. I'm gonna take that and then about 2 pumps should be enough. If you need 3, add more. Make sure you really get that in there and don't be afraid to get at the roots. And I'm just adding more. Taking our purple Flexi rods, I like to twist root so that it really gets in there counterclockwise. So 1, and make sure it's taut and tight. 2, 3. I'm going to comb out the rest, putting it at the back and twisting it. And then to secure the roots, all you're going to do is twist up and secure it. A little bit more. They're combed out. I'm going to wrap and twist as you go. And then to make sure that it holds at the end, add a lot, but add some at the end by twisting it around so it stays. There you go. Your first Flexi rod. I'm going to take a section from right here. I like to do bigger sizes so it doesn't take me long to do it. And then pin it up again. Just like that. Comb it out. Add your foaming mousse of choice. I'm adding 3 pumps to it as much. And go all the way down. The roots for sure. Make sure that it's all the way combed through so that it's a smooth Flexi rod. Twisting it. Applying the Flexi rod. And applying it 1 inch before the part. And then wrapping it around. In a twisting motion. So a better view of it. So I like to create spaces so that it dries faster and it gives a more elongated look. Lock it in place one more time. Get the back section, twist this part, and bend it over. To secure the ends, take some mousse, a little bit. Don't do what I did in the first part, but take the ends right here and flick it over. Make sure it is secure, because if the ends come out, it's going to make the Flexi rod set look bad. Got those 2 down. I'm going to repeat to the rest of the back of my head, and then I'll come back for the front to show y'all what I do for that. So taking a 1/2 inch to 1 inch section, this much, should be the width of a finger like that. And combing it out all the way, adding our a lot of body. Foaming moves to the section. About 3 pumps. So, for this 1, 2, 3 section and applying it thoroughly. Clear out one more time so there's no lumps and it becomes very smooth so that it gives a smooth result. And twisting it, not twisting it in 2 strands, but twisting it in 1 whole strand. That's the difference that I do from the back to the front. Twisting it from the root, we'll get closer up, from the root and twisting it. Creates a taut section right here. And then adding your flexi. You're gonna go from the back and twist it counter. So you're gonna place it right here and go around. And here we go around. And then if you need to add more to create a secure hold, you can add more and just apply it in no particular order. And then just repeat that same process, twisting it all around. And you can also twist a rod with it so that it doesn't get tangled in the metal part of the hair, which is the white. And it's okay if you have to redo a section because the way you put on the flexi sets and the way you style it is gonna how it's gonna dry. But we're just gonna take the section and turn it along with the spiral flexi rod. As we turn, we're going in a circular motion. Holding the flexi set, taking this hair by itself and wrapping it around. So like that. Once you get to the ends, take your foaming mousse, place a dot, literal dot, right there, comb it through, and flexi. And then to secure the ends, you're going to put a bit more product and just wrap it around itself, like that. Now for the top section, we're going to take this and twist it under. We're going to twist it 1, 2, 3 to really secure it. And then taking this section, the blue leftover, just going to flip it over. Like that. Now you have flip over. To secure these ends, you're just going to turn it over. Like that. And that is how you do flexi sets. All the flexi rods are installed and this is what it looks like all together. But I am gonna have to sleep in this, so we gonna have to bring out the bonnet and I will check in with y'all in the morning. Now the morning time, I got makeup on because we finna head to school to return some books and film some other videos, but I'm going to show y'all the final result of what these flexi rods look like. But these are the results. Y'all, I can't make this up. The definition, softness, if y'all could feel this right now, and the bounce. The results don't lie. Hit the subscribe button. I'm telling y'all some gems and secrets on how to take care of your natural hair on a budget. See the bounce, like I'm gonna show y'all how to take out 2 safely. And so I'm going with my Bonnie Smooth Guard Serum. You can really use any serum, oil, whatever protects your hair and doesn't make it frizz up. I'm literally just taking 2 pumps, that much. So you're unhooking the first tail, unhooking this tail. So the first 2 tails unravel for the first inch. So you have 1 inch, and then you're gonna go under 1, 2, 3. And I like to keep it together so it creates a defined look. And then just wrap it together. Now one more time, taking this section, taking the tail right here, unhooking it, the tail right here, unhooking, going 1, 2, unraveling it. And this just prevents frizz when you put oil on there, and then it creates that defined look when you hold it all together. Look at that. Definition, bounce, and it's so soft. Like, do y'all see this? This is the final result. bouncy, fluffy, soft curls, which are defined. All under, might I add, $50. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next week's video. Bye.